Although the profession was originally a guitarist for the music group Metafora, Sukoco also has an artistic soul to make crafts. The effort was realized by making decorative lights from bamboo materials that began to get a lot of orders. After no longer active as a guitarist in the music group Metafora, Sukoco Ringinsari Village residence, district Kandat, Kediri Regency turned into a music tutor. All musical instruments are mastered and quite a lot of students are learning to play musical instruments. But on the sidelines of his activities teaching students, Sukoco still take the time to make ornamental light crafts. Unexpectedly his work turned out to attract many colleagues. A lot of friends who ask this ornamental lamp is made by who, I answer this is made by me, then I order, said Sukoco to Surya. Orders are now a lot of flow until it was overwhelmed. Luckily there are 6 youths in the village who are now apprenticed to learn how to make decorative lamps help to finish the order. Decorative lights made from bamboo made from Sukoco are quite artistic with decorations and ornaments. Decorative lamps with simple sizes with some ordinary lamps are sold at prices varying between Rp 100,000, Rp 200,000. Sukoco also make big size hanging decorative lamps in accordance with the order. There are 6 to 8 lamps, the more light the price is also more expensive. Our usual hanging lamp sells Rp 175,000, but if the lights are more expensive, it also increases, he explained. Sukoco is optimistic that the handicrafts that are occupied bring benefits and benefit. Admittedly, it takes perseverance and thoroughness to make it. These decorative lights more artistic when it is coated with a varnish so that the color becomes shiny. There are various choices of models according to the tastes of the buyer. Originally who bought my handmade craft limited to friends and acquaintances, but now there are many people who come for the message, he said. Sukoco hopes to get coaching and capital assistance as well as marketing from the government. Because so far he has never received help. Hopefully we get help including developing marketing, he said. Moreover, this decorative lamp craft can also be done to fill the spare time on the sidelines of activities teaching music at home. father of 4 children was a music tutor teacher after an accident several years ago. As a result of the accident, his right leg became difficult to bend. But the condition was not to interfere with his activities to make ornamental light crafts. When completing a regular order done with a right foot herk. We hope more and more young people are learning to make this craft, he said.